Sabi ni Boss Chopaing, Ma'am Elena, ayan na, punta na tayo rito sa ating ang sakit na ito sa mga DDS no? Unahin ba natin to? Unahin kaya natin yung kaya no? Hindi, unahin natin to para tapos na. Kasi kailangan natin ipakita yung kay... Ito. Nasaan yung ano natin? Punta na tayo rito sa ating susunod na talakayin. Magandang gabi sa lahat, no? Eksaktong alas 8:47 dito sa Dubai. No? At syempre, ito na yung susunod nating topic. Sabi rito, ayan no way home, ICC upholds denial of Rudy Duterte's bid for interim release. Kasi ang dami niyong pautot eh. Kaya kayo nadidinay eh. No? Ang dami niyong pautot eh. Sabi, my name is Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Di ba? Sabi niya, my name, I live in the province of Leyte. I was born and my mother is... Dati kabisado ko yun eh. Kala niya nakakaawa siya, di ba? My name is Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Alam na namin yon. Sabi rito, the International Criminal Court has rejected former President Rodrigo Duterte's bid to temporarily walk free while facing charges of crimes against humanity, affirming the pretrial chambers ruling that he still possessed risk of flight, interference, and obstruction. In judgment delivered in an open court Friday, November 28, the ICC Appeals Chamber upheld the pretrial chamber September 26 decision denying Duterte's request for interim release. Dasalan sila ng dasalan doon, oh. Umuulan ng ano eh. Sabi ng mga tanga, oh. Sabi ng mga eng-eng, oh. Sabi mo, kung sino-sinong Diyos na yung tinatawag, eh. Sana po makalaya na, bring him home. Sana po ICC. Nung una, babait eh, ICC please, ICC please, please. Ano po, tangina mo, ICC. Nakita niyo ba po, ang inang Didi, kung ano ICC to eh, mga ganunan na eh, mga gago eh. Kaya kayo napagdadadali eh. Kung ano-ano kasi mga pinag-iimbento nyo eh. Oh. The appeal chamber composed of 5 judges led by presiding judge Luz del Carmen Ibanez Carranza said the lower chamber correctly found that Duterte release could jeopardize proceedings under Article 58(1)(b) of Rome's statute, which allows detention, prevents suspect from absconding, interfering with witness, or continuing related crimes. Kasi kayo mga DDS, wag kasi kayong fake news. Putya, hindi na kayo nagsawa na fake news dito sa Pilipinas. Dinadala nyo pa dyan sa dahig. Ang tatanga nyo eh. Nagpalakas pa kayo na mga vlogger na bopols dyan sa dahig. Oh, di ba? Sino ba yun yung bakla? Puwera gaba sa mga bakla ha. Ang gugulo nyo eh. Wait lang. Yeah, hello, Sachin. Yes. Yeah. How did they charge it? It's long time. It's 3 weeks now. It could have been low-bat. Because I didn't and okay, I'll try to check it here. I'll inform you. Yeah. Okay, don't worry. I'll okay. 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 Thank you very much, Sachin. Don't worry. I'll check it and I'll update you. Thank you very much. Oh! sorry. Yung bisikleta natin, nandyan na, diniliver na. Bakit naman yung picture dito sa taas, ano? May picture ng brief, ano ba namang ano to? Advertisement to. Oh, sabi dito, judges agreed that Duterte political influence, extensive support network in the Philippines, and access to resources made him capable of evading justice. Tama lang naman. Tama lang naman eh. 'Di ba? The likes of si Kibuloy, 'di ba? Si Kibuloy. Pucha. Hindi, unahin natin yung si Bato. Asa na ngayon si Bato? 'Di ba? Pucha, wala pang warrant nagtatago na. Si Bantag, hindi makita. Si Tebes, ano nangyari? 'Di ba? Si Kibuloy, Diyos yun. Paano pag si Duterte pa? 'Di ba? Yun ang problema. Malabo yun kasi mangyari na pagka yan ibinalik sa Pilipinas or kahit hindi sa Pilipinas posibleng magawa nila ng paraan para daling sa Pilipinas tapos i-evade na yung trial. Ganun kasi yun. Yung hinihili. Sa tingin nyo ba yung biruin mo sigaw lagi ni Potpot? Ano ba sinasabi lagi ni Sara Potpot? Ano na natin yan? I-jailbreak na natin yan. Di ba? Oh. Judges, ayan They also noted that the chamber relied on a comprehensive assessment of open source material including media reports, NGO publication, and a book to establish risk of interference. The use of such they stress is permitted under ICC law. Duterte's team had argued the risks cited by the pre-trial chamber were hypothetical, that state willing to receive him had offered guarantees to keep him under strict conditions and that his health required humanitarian consideration. All three arguments were dismissed. Patay. Pero ang mahalaga dito, panalo si Kopman. Palakpakan si Kopman. Di ba, Boss Benedict? Matalo manalo, magkaroon ng interim release o hindi, panalo si Kopman. Pucha, kain lang ng pera si si Kopman, Ang tatangan nyo kasi, yung mga pautot nyo na kesyo na himatay sa loob ng kulungan, natagpo ang walang malay. Diba? The appeals chamber said the defense failed to demonstrate any error in the pre-trial chamber's reasoning. Humanitarian grounds it added were considered but ultimately found insufficient to override the risk identified. The pre-trial chamber assessed relevant information before it. The judges said, adding that Duterte's health concern did not mitigate the possibility of interference of plan. Walang problema sana rin The ICC arrested Duterte under a warrant first issued under seal on March 7 and made public days later. He is accused of crimes against humanity in connection with the bloody war on drugs he waged as mayor of Davao City and later as president. Yun ang problema eh. 'Di ba? Napakalaki ng impluwensya nito ni napakalaki ng impluwensya pa rin ni Betlog. Ni Digong. Oh. We will continue to work. Oh, the family Duterte said accept the ICC appeals chamber's decision with peaceful hearts. We will continue to work with the defense team on the case and we will keep supporting former Rodrigo Duterte with our daily conversation. We thank everyone who prayed with us today, the family said in a statement. Malacanang meantime said it respect the latest ICC decision on Duterte's case. Presidential Commission's Office and Palace Officer Claire Castro said the International Criminal Court had already made this decision and the Palace respect. Anak ng titing, oh. Ano sabi? Ano sabi daw ni ano? Ano sabi ni Atty. Claire? Ay. Wait lang, bakit parang ano yung kanta? Ano sabi ni Atty. Claire? See that girl, watch that scene, singing the dancing queen. Ang lakas ka. Si Atty. Claire, oh! Oo, niloloko ka, kinakantahan ko. Kinakantahan, biglang kinantahan, no? Ano sabi? Ito raw yung reaksyon ng Palace eh. So, nagdesisyon na raw yung ICC at nire-respeto ng palasyo at ito po pala ang mensahe ni Atty. Claire kay sa pamilyang Duterte. Pasok, Atty. Claire! Panis! Pasensya ka na, di ko nga, wala tayong magagawa. Wala eh, kumanta eh, no? Napakanta. Ha? Pasensya ka na, di ko nga. Sagutin mo na lang din. My name is Rodrigo Roa Duterte. I live in the province of Leyte. I was born and my mother is Australia Duterte. Wala. Tae-tae kasi kayo eh. Yan ang problema sa inyo eh. No? Yan ang problema, mga ICC. Na galit na galit. Paano pa yung isang ICC bulok ng ICC bulok? Na ayaw umamin na DDS daw siya. Ay, hindi raw siya DDS. Oh, shoutout sa'yo, Tony Libayan! Yung tatay mo, nakakulong pa rin! Ano, talaga mo ka magkakatotoo yung sinasabi ni Ha? Happy Friday, Ma'am Joanna. Mukhang magkakatotoo yung sinabi ni Tolnyolo, uuwing nakagarapon. Pero, hindi, ano naman maayos na garapon? Garapon daw ng ladies' choice. Hindi ako nagsabi ha, si Tolnyolo tsaka si Coach Jarrett. Naku, talaga yung mga yan, oh. Sabi ni Tolnyolo, uuwi daw sa garapon. Sabi naman ni Coach Jarrett, garapon ng ladies' choice. Mga sutil eh, no? Ano bang sabi ni Atty. Claire? Isa pa nga, Atty. Ay, nagulat ng buksan ng pinto. Ay, nagulat daw. Lahat ay nagulat ng buksan ng pinto ng ICC. Lahat sila ay kulong. Hindi ka natin kaya yung mga ginagawa ni Nyolo eh. Ano niya yan? Niche niya yun, niche.